Industrial composting की Pambei Leite Manipur single use plastic na Kangfal की सरukta paifam salaktrei plastic की पोलम थिंजिंदुना Atoppa Pambei Shijinnaba Nattana Atoppa Pambei Leite है ना महूट के principal secretary R.K. Dinesh फोंदोक्ट्रei ngasi Department of Mahut Directorate of Environment and Climate Change amadi Manipur Pollution Control Board na puna sinduna consultative workshop on plastic waste management rules 2016 ban of single use plastic item gi thorum hotel Imphal gi sangai holda pangthokhi Tharum maduda R.K. Dinesh makha taraduna plastic ki polam sing sizinaba nungai adubu masina akoibagi pibam amadi miyoibagi hakselda akaiba piri Manipur ki oina lamdengda leiba solid waste management plan housing plastic ki polam singna pathoktuna leirei recycle waste to energy industrial composting ki khudong saba leitraba amadi logi matungina mai thadokuna manghan basu yadaba plastic ki polam sing asi matam sana thingjendraba amadi atoppa upai thihodrabadi Imphal gi lambi sorok plastic na wai chairpagi phibam lakani haiki
We sing job the object drive with concerned department mayam object we drive chati masigi sing mayam si iram mayam si doine sengdok na ba simam se plastic ne ba point thengari se masi da kothok ba awabam oi ba masi degrade chu tawde full lay nala drain loina full lay ba agana plastic se asage koina initial ma se ho matam da plastic se na ban nuai ko plastic na yom pot se pakpat te waterproof oi homi ha se ultimate ba ki cost ye ngoro da yam tang ne ba ma ji environment cost health cost to an study mayam la lay adu mayam tu tawragati plastic se yakna costly alternative lairagati masi akoi alternative tu na senbana tana ade ban do ya bai na ban do phokna tana akoi manipur gi Pambei se leite demand side ta masai gi plastic se sin na dana ba akoi alternative puthok tare public su khangan batare plastic sin abiganu noina yam pon plastic bag ama bazar da gi pot lai chapai mahutta reusable taw ya ba cotton bag oi gira tongan ba alternative thibiu adumaina akoi isa isa na su kharagra akoi on level da plastic use se handa bana tana akoi manipur gi Atei Pambei se ai leite
Workshop asiga mari lenana Environment, Forest and Climate Change ki Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha na haikibada Manipur Plastic Policy lisingni kunithoi mapung fan implement tauna ba Forest, Environment and Climate Change ki maikedegi official singi pungning singsin ki handak ikui dina Manipur da thoki ba isa oduda mapam kyadagi plastic ki polam sing iselna sentharaktuna loktak patta senthaki basi laibak thibani Manipur Plastic Policy lisingni kunithoi ki matungina plastic ki polam sing yoliba stockist distributors singna kangon ngakna salam da bathainarbadi lupa lising anidagi lising tara fawbagi fine thiba amadi commercial license ka thatkani street vendors singi oinasu lupa sanidagi lupa lising ahum fawba fine thiba amadi trade documents sing sis tauchin bana singba kangon kya yauri haina sumhana makhata ki
We'll also be educating this stockists and distributors that they don't bring single-use plastic in the state because that's the first place. And of course, then those who are using and other people. And I'm very sure that if you implement this law in its true spirit, you get rid of the single-use plastic. And I urge upon all of you to, of course, taking action is one part, but I think educating the people is very, very important. Once we are able to do that, maybe people will leave this plastic on their own and Manipur will be free of plastics. So the role of media is very, very important. Please educate the people about harmful uses that these plastics have and how it is affecting our health. That people really leave using this plastic and they go to other alternative like we have cotton bags. Maybe other kind of bag that in Manipur now you have lots of packaging material like corn and crab that we are using now. All these things can be promoted by government and people can start using them. We are also thinking of kind of in the beginning, maybe we can be providing these bags to the consumers so that they stop using these plastic bags, carry bags, etc.